What's up everybody? In today's video we're going to be making ranch cauliflower mash using the Primal Kitchen Ranch Dressing. And to get started you're going to take one head of cauliflower and you're going to break it down by first removing the outer leaves and the stem, and that's just going to let you get to the center of the cauliflower with your knife and chop it into florets. Next, you're going to take your cauliflower florets and you're going to place them into a large pot, and you're going to cover the cauliflower with about 1 to 2 cups of water. You're going to bring that to a boil over high heat, and then once you bring it to a boil, you're going to reduce the heat to medium-low. You're going to cover it, and then you're going to let it simmer for about 5 to 7 minutes. And you'll know when it's done when it's about fork tender, which means you can pierce it with a fork and it'll be nice and soft. Next, you're going to drain out the water from your pot, and you're just going to let your cauliflower dry out for a couple minutes. Once your cauliflower is cooked, you're going to transfer it to a food processor, and we're going to add some Primal Kitchen Avocado Oil, about 2 to 3 tablespoons, the Primal Kitchen Ranch Dressing, about a half to a third cup, 1 tablespoon of ghee, and salt to taste, about a half teaspoon. Next, you're going to pulse that all together. And you're going to keep pulsing until you get the consistency of creamy mashed potatoes. And there you go, serve it up as a side as part of your dinner. I like to garnish it with parsley, and that's how you make ranch cauliflower mash. Thanks for watching, everybody.